Hello guys! Ayan, papasok na naman tayo guys. So bali maaga ang ating pasok ngayon dahil dati tayong pang 9 o'clock ng umaga, ginawang 7 o'clock ng umaga ang ating pasok. So 2 oras na napaaga ang ating pasok. So ang schedule ko ngayon ay 7 ng umaga hanggang 5:30 ng hapon. So 10 hours tayo magtatrabaho. Ayan, so sumakay muna tayo ng SkyTrain. Ay, papasok na tayo. So enjoy watching guys. Love, love, love.
The next station is Production Way University, where this train terminates. Would all passengers please leave the train at Production Way University? Doors will open on the left. Change here for the Millennium Line. Exit here for bus connections to the Simon Fraser University, Burnaby campus. Is not in service. Please do not board this train. This train is not in service. This train is not in service. Please do not board this train. This train is not in service.
Doon tayo sa malapit dun sa pagbaba ko mamaya.